This is the Cobra 8509 Immobiliser. I say Cobra, it's made by Vodafone Automotive, but this was designed pre-Vodafone Automotive days. It's old school, but it's damn good. Now, this is completely sealed, so there's no way I'm going to pop this open, find the relay contacts, and open it up. It's also really small, as you can see. Just to put this into context, here's a conventional relay. So it's basically the size of two conventional relays, and it's got two immobiliser cuts. It's the smallest one that I'm aware of in the car alarm market. It's damn good. Now, I firmly believe security is best done in layers. So having this installed separately to the alarm module means that if you find the alarm, you've still not compromised this and the car's still immobilised. It talks to the alarm via a secure data line, and it's got a one-time pairing. So basically, let's assume you've got this main alarm in the car, it talks to the immobiliser, car thief comes along, manages to find the alarm, they know what alarm it is, they're really organised, they come along and go, oh, I've got one of these alarms, I'm going to unplug this one, I'm going to plug in mine, which I've got a remote program to, and I'm going to disarm it. It's not going to work because it's a one-time pairing only, so the replacement alarm will not talk to this. Very clever, but effective. This one is typically $200 installed on top of the price of the alarm. Yeah, highly recommended for older cars that don't have your factory transponder immobiliser or anything that's high risk. For more details, check out vehiclesecurity.co.nz.